Hello guys, today I will show to you the concept of blend if feature in Photoshop. This blend if feature you can find in layer style. Here is the blend if feature. You can find here blending options, layer style, here the blend if feature. Or you can click twice to the layer and you will enter the layer style panel and you will find the blend if feature. I make this layer. This is the wallstone background and other layer for the experiment. Now I show you this black and white, the grayscale layer. If I click twice here, I enter the layer style and I find the blend if feature. There is the current layer slider and underlying layer slider. The current layer slider will affect to the layer at the top that you select. The underlying layer represent the layer below the current layer, that is the wallstone background here. So if I play this, there are two slider, the black and white. The black represent the dark color of the uh, current layer. This is the black, and the white slider represent the light color of the image. So if I remove the slider, see what happened. The dark area of the image will erase. If I hit Alt, I will separate the slider and it is become gradation, smooth gradation. I will bring it back. If I play the white slider, it will erase the light color of the image. If I hit Alt in keyboard, it will separate the slider and it will become smooth gradation. See here, smooth gradation. Now I will play with the underlying layer feature. I will, if I want to bring out the dark color of the background or the stone wall, I will play with the black slider. See the dark color or the shading of the wall stone bring out to the current layer. If I hit Alt and separate the slider, it becomes smooth gradation. I bring it back. If I play with the white slider, it will bring out the highlight of the wall stone. Pay attention to the hint of the shortcut at the bottom of the screen. I hit OK. If you want to clear the result of the effect, you can right click at the layer and here is clear layer style and it become at the beginning. Now I will show you the experiment with this image, this grayscale, red scale, green scale and blue scale. blending option. If you see there is blend if gray feature, red feature, green feature, and blue feature. Now I will play with the gray feature first. See what happens if I play with this. I'll zoom out first to see. See what happens if I play with this. I bring it back. See what happens. See what happens. I bring it back. I play with the green. See what happens. See what happens. I play with the blue. See. And see again. Now I will play with the all blend if feature, that is the gray, the red, and the green, and the blue. Now you already see with the experiment of this image. Now I want to show you what if I want to make this text blend with this background. I want to remove the black, so I click twice and I play with this slider, the black slider. See, the black is removed. I hit Alt to make it smooth. And now I want to bring out the dark color of the stone wall. So I play with the underlying layer with the black slider. See, it is become blend. Now I want to remove the white in this image. I play with the current layer slider, the white slider. See, the white background removed. Now the PS text removed also, so I play again with the white slider. Now the white background removed, but the blue text still in there. Now I want to bring out the highlight of the stone wall. The highlight means the light color of the stone wall. So I play with this white slider, because the white slider represent the highlight or the light color of the background. See, so the highlight being out to current layer, and it is become look blend. If you want to clear the effect, you can clear anywhere, anytime you want, and you can copy the effect of the layer style to another layer. See, so the layer style of this layer copy to the this layer. So now you understand the concept of the blend if feature in Photoshop. It is very important in the digital imaging project to know this. Okay guys, I think that's it, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.